Hi, welcome to this session. And in this session, we have to write a function which can find out the sum of odd items in the list. So we need to iterate each item in the list. And for this, we have a for loop for item in data. So let's first build the logic to find whether the number is even or odd. So let's suppose I have number like this and I want to check whether this is even or odd. You know that you can divide this number with 2. If the remainder of division by 2 is 0, it will be considered even, otherwise it will be odd. We can use if condition for this. I need to check the remainder by dividing this number with 2. So we have a percentage operator which provides the remainder of the division. So if this remainder is equal to 0, then I can write print even, else print odd. So let's cross check this. So you can see this number is even. Let's run this with 31. This is odd. So we have a logic to check even and odd, and you can use this logic to create a function which can find out sum of all odd elements in the list. So first iterate over each element in the list, and if the item is odd, then we can find out its total sum. So I hope you can do this very easily. Take your time if you still not have solved this problem. Otherwise you can watch the solution. So this is the solution. I'm iterating over each item in my data list. So first time it will iterate over 21. So item is 21. I'm checking this by dividing this with 2. If the remainder is equal to 1, then it means this is odd, and in case of 21 I will get 1 as a remainder. So I'm having a sum variable which is initialized with 0. So 0 plus 21, item is 21, my sum will become 21 at this point. I am still in the for loop. Next time it will access 4. If I divide 4 with 2, it will return 0. So this if condition is false. So this statement will not execute. Next time for loop will access item 5. So 5 divided by 2 will return 1. So this condition is true. Item is 5, sum is 21. So 21 plus 5, it will return 26, and sum will update it to 26. We have iterated all the items, so it will return sum. So let's run this. You can see that the output is 26. So we have solved our problem. So this is the code which is used to find out the sum of odd elements in the list. Okay, I have one more question. Let's suppose this is a string. Then what will happen? What do you think? Code will run or not? Let's run this. It returns an error. You cannot perform this operation on string. So when it reaches to 4, it will raise this error, and we can't perform this division operation over string code. Can you make changes in this code so that it can take care about those cases, and it will only perform mathematical operation if data is of int type? If data is not of int type, it should display appropriate message and return false. Can you solve this problem? You need to check the type of item here. So if item is of int type, then only this operation should perform. Otherwise it should display appropriate message and return false. Take your time to solve this problem. I will see you in next session with this solution. Thanks for watching this video.